Imagine achieving more in 12 weeks than most do in a year. Welcome to the 12-week year, where the rules of productivity are rewritten. Let's dive in. Most people set annual goals, but here's the problem. Annual plans foster procrastination. The 12-week year flips this idea. Every week counts. Time compression. Shortening the execution cycle creates a sense of urgency. Success begins with vision. Define your ultimate goals, your personal Everest. What does success look like for you? Write it down. Break your vision into smaller, actionable goals that align with your 12-week plan. Traditional plans are often bloated. The 12-week year simplifies this. Focus on fewer goals, but execute them relentlessly. Planning isn't about complexity, it's about precision and focus. Execution bridges the gap between dreaming and achieving. Map out the week to tackle your top priorities first. Use time blocking to schedule high-value activities. Track your performance with weekly scorecards. Rate your execution, not just your outcomes. Focus on leading indicators, actions within your control. Accountability is about ownership. Build a structure to reflect on your actions. Did you do what you promised? Start an accountability group to share wins, struggles, and insights. Challenges are part of the process. Revisit your vision when you face obstacles. Emotional connection to your goals fuels perseverance. Every 12 weeks, celebrate your wins and reflect on lessons learned. Success is about progress. At the end of each cycle, review what worked and adjust your strategy accordingly. The 12-week year is about living with intention and purpose. Are you ready to transform your life in just 12 weeks? If you found this helpful, check out our other videos for more life-changing insights. Don't forget to subscribe.